Have you ever wondered that you can actually fix your car without hustling or any failing attempt that might mess you and your car up while you're working under it? With today's smart technology, you can prevent these careless mistakes from happening altogether before they turn into a complete mess. These technologies offer real-time feedback, alerts, and even suggest solutions when things go wrong. They also help you better understand your car's condition and pinpoint issues accurately, without the guesswork. Whether you're replacing a part or fixing an engine issue, smart technology takes the complexity out of repairs, making the entire process safer, more efficient, and ultimately less stressful. So, fixing your car can become a much easier and more manageable task, even for those with minimal experience. A properly executed wheel alignment not only enhances road safety, but also helps minimize tire wear. The 3D wheel alignment stand shown on your screen makes the mechanic's job much easier. Its standout feature is the machine vision system, which uses higher resolution cameras to create a digital replica of the suspension. The system then compares this replica to a reference model to assess its condition. For added precision, special targets are placed on the wheels to assist the system in targeting. One of the major benefits of these systems is that they are ready for use immediately after installation. With no calibration required, they can be utilized in repair shops with inspection pits or lifts. However, these systems come with a significant price tag, starting at $15,000. When you think of a car elevator, you probably picture a bulky, complex machine that requires a lot of space, right? That's what you typically find in modern car service stations. This professional demonstrator is here to change that perception. Introducing the Car Hoist UL300, a compact, efficient solution for lifting vehicles without the hassle of space-consuming equipment. With a sleek folded design, the Car Hoist UL300 is just 11 centimeters tall. That means you can easily store it almost anywhere, even under your bed. But don't let its size fool you. When in action, it's fully capable of lifting a car up to 170 centimeters high. With a 3.3 meter length and a 3.5 ton load capacity, this professional-grade device can handle a wide range of vehicles. Please note, the Car Hoist UL300 is a high-end piece of equipment, and as such, its price starts at $6,000. Working on a car's internal components can be a challenging and uncomfortable task, often requiring professionals to work in awkward positions that put strain on their backs and legs. In the past, car creepers provided some relief, but today's technology offers more effective solutions. The Human Hoist is a robotic, transformable chair and creeper designed to improve maneuverability and comfort. The chair is controlled with two intuitive joysticks, making it simple to change its height and the angle of the backrest within seconds, ensuring a personalized ergonomic experience. A sophisticated hydraulic system then gently raises or lowers the user, relieving the pressure on their body and allowing them to focus on their work without discomfort. What's more, after working on the car, there's no need to struggle to get up from the floor. The Human Hoist lets users raise the chair to a comfortable standing height, enabling a seamless transition and reducing physical strain during the process. This innovative design not only improves comfort, but also increases productivity, marking a significant step forward for automotive professionals. Installing a scissor lift in a workshop can be a challenging and time-consuming task, but engineers from Denmark have developed a solution that simplifies the process. This innovative lift is not only easy to install, but also highly functional. Capable of lifting up to 7,700 pounds, its legs are adjustable in distance, offering flexible positioning. With a lift height of up to 6.4 feet and a width that can be adjusted from 4.3 to 9.8 feet, it accommodates a wide range of vehicles. Thanks to its quick-release connection system, the lift is simple to set up, maintain, and is ideal for working with cars, vans, and SUV. Struggling to check your tire tread? Where the Tread Reader Handheld is here to make that task effortless. Developed by the British company Tread Reader, this compact handheld scanner quickly scans your tire in just a few seconds. Simply glide it over the surface, and in no time, the device generates a detailed 3D image of the tire, displaying all its key parameters right on your smartphone screen. What's even better, it works flawlessly, even with dirty or wet wheels, meaning you can check your tires anytime, no matter the conditions. The Tread Reader Handheld is a must-have for any car owner, with a starting price of $2,200. Want to restore your car to its flawless showroom-like condition? Meet the Miracle System, a cutting-edge solution from the German company Carbon. This innovative tool helps you quickly and gently fix car imperfections, requiring minimal effort and skill. Take, for example, removing dents. In the video, you can see a master effortlessly eliminating a dent from the rear fender of a Jaguar. Normally, this kind of repair is tricky, involving layers of metal and often requiring access from the inside. That means removing taillights, interior trunk panels, or even the mud flap. With Miracle, all of that hassle is avoided. The repair process is still meticulous, but now it's faster and less physically demanding. In fact, small dents can be fixed in as little as 10 minutes, all while preserving the original paint. The best part, the system's specialized glue and other materials are designed to save you time and effort, making each subsequent repair even more efficient and cost-effective. When you need to remove multiple fasteners simultaneously, multi-spindle attachments with adapters for various cordless tools are incredibly useful. One of their key advantages is the ability to select the perfect template for each specific task, whether it's drilling, countersinking, or tapping. The wide range of available accessories helps reduce the work cycle. And since all spindles are powered by the same motor, they rotate at the same speed, ensuring consistent high-quality results. Let's take a look at the tools from Rima Tiptop, a company that has been thriving, as evidenced by its impressive performance. In the 2020 fiscal year, the company achieved sales of around $1 billion, largely due to its tire repair products. Their range includes vulcanizing heat presses, balancing equipment, and a variety of compounds, tools and repair patches, such as the one displayed on the screen. This particular patch cuts repair time by approximately 40%, requires no extra ventilation, and is ideal for tires operating under extreme conditions. A unique compound with high adhesion allows for sanding the tire, restoring it to a like-new appearance. The next tool is a joint playtester, designed to assess a car's chassis and steering, capable of identifying issues like axle problems. It operates without the need for power, compressed air, or any additional resources. This compact system is suitable for vehicles weighing up to 7,700 pounds. It enables rapid simulation of various road conditions, such as cornering on both axles, providing clear results that can be immediately presented to the client, along with an explanation of necessary repairs. Created by a master mechanic, the system weighs around 141 pounds and is priced at $1,667. The last product featured in today's video is designed to elevate your garage into a fully functional workshop. Snap-on, an American company, offers an extensive range of toolboxes, including this massive model. It's so large that manually moving it would be nearly impossible, which is why it comes equipped with wheels, a motor, and a control system, transforming it into a unique mobile unit. Inside, you'll find a variety of compartments filled with all the essential tools for car repairs. However, this high-end device is made for professionals, and its price tag reflects that. exceeding $30,000.